So another one that we haven't done for a while is kia ora. So I thought we'd start off with this. You guys say?
Kia ora, kia ora. Welcome, hi and my. You've come from over the sea, flown across the sky. This country we call Aotearoa opens up its doors. Kia ora, kia ora. Welcome to our shore. Kia ora, kia ora. Welcome to our land. Children from all over the world, together holding hands. Let's dance around the holy tree. Find a silver fern. Kia ora, kia ora. Together we will learn. Like the colors of the rainbow, red, orange, yellow, green and purple and blue. Through all kinds of weather, we'll blend together. You learn about me, I'll learn about you. You can be a Kiwi too. Kia ora, kia ora. Welcome to our town. We'd like to help you settle in and show you all around. We'll celebrate at festivals, float lanterns in the sky. Kia ora, kia ora. We're glad you're now close by. Kia ora, kia ora. Meet my family. Aunts, grandparents too, will join us all for tea. And afterwards we'll all go out for ice creams in a cone. Kia ora, kia ora. Welcome to our home. Like fish in a river, we'll swim together, happy as can be. Slide down a mountain, jump in a fountain. These are the things we like to do. You can be a Kiwi too. Kia ora, kia ora. We'd all love to hear stories about where you come from and how you live life there. We'll find a way to understand the words we each will say. Kia ora, kia ora. Let's practice every day. Kia ora, kia ora. When you feel at ease, we'll go camping on the land and climb up high in trees. We'll follow pathways through the bush and find a bedtime's nest. Kia ora, kia ora. Nature's treasure is the best. We'll gather pine cones to build a fire, marshmallows in the flames. We'll sing and dance to the sound of guitars till the night sky fills with stars. While we are sleeping, here we come a sneaking, hoping to find some food. The moon shines brightly on Ruru the owl, who welcomes you with a woo-hoo-hoo, woo-hoo-hoo. You can be a Kiwi too. You can be a Kiwi too. You can be a Kiwi too. You can be a Kiwi too.
Ah, boy. We haven't done that one for a while. Awesome.